Hi everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another kit unboxing video for My Creative Scrapbook. So today I am unboxing the October main kit, and this amazing kit features the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts collection. This collection is gorgeous. I just showed you the sticker sheet that's included with it. You also get a pile of pattern papers here, this pretty floral print, and it has Give Thanks on the back side, pumpkins, all different colors, and a green that comes in very handy for lots of stuff. I use that green a lot. Here's an orange plaid and a pattern paper with some leaves and acorns on it. Really pretty paper. Then we have our 3x4 journaling cards on this side. And then on the flip side, we have this pretty plaid with a pink background. We have multi-journaling cards on this paper. And I love that they are different sizes because sometimes you need something other than a 3x4 journal card. So I like that some of these are taller and have journal spots on them too. That's very handy. So on the back side is this pattern paper all about apples, with apple cider, apples, and apples in a basket. Then we're moving on to this thankful paper on a brown background. And on the flip side, we have this pretty plaid with all these fall colors. On the next one is this very pretty floral print, and these flowers are smaller than that first floral print I had shown you. And on the flip side is a brown background with all different colors of polka dots, fall colors of polka dots. This next one is more of a red background with orange flowers on it. Very pretty paper. And I love this pattern paper with the squirrels running around in the leaves and acorns. I see it every day in my yard. There we have the tags on this sheet of pattern paper. And then these can be cut apart. And on the flip side are more tags, but these tags on the flip side have journal spots then. So you could do some journaling on a tag and tuck it behind a photo, which is what I do a lot. I love to tuck my journaling behind a photo. This is another multi-journal page. These are 4x4 square journaling cards with some 2x2 journaling cards in the middle. And then we have this pretty green pattern paper with white flowers on it on the flip side. We have some 4x6 journal cards as well. And on the flip side of this paper is another floral print on a yellow background. This is also very pretty. Very fall with the yellow background. There is a Bow Bunny sheet of pattern paper also included in the kit that has white butterflies on a background on the one side and then a pretty yellow on the other side. All right, the kit also comes with some chipboard pieces. So this one that I'm showing you now is from Echo Park Paper, and it's called Fall Fever. And all different things on here, leaves, autumn, pumpkins, hay rides, that you could be using for embellishing your layouts. Not only one chipboard embellishment sheet, but there were two included in this kit. This one is from Echo Park Paper Sweater Weather, and it has these same beautiful fall colors on here that the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts collection had. This chipboard sheet is more about the titles. So there's fall, Autumn Days, Apple of My Eye, I Love Fall. Lots of options here for your titles. All right, let's move on to the die cut ephemera. This pack that I am showing you now is from the Simple Stories Acorn Lane collection. There are 60 die cut pieces in this pack. They're the floral bits. I love this die cut ephemera pack. There are leaves here, floral embellishment clusters, birds, moss. There are branches with leaves on them, mushrooms. It's generic enough that these embellishments could be used on any kind of fall layout you wanted. And like I said, there are 60 pieces in this die cut ephemera pack. So there's not just like one cute bird, there are like 5 or 6. And there's not just one moth, but there are, again, like 5 or 6 moths and all different kinds. Different kinds of leaves, maple leaves, oak leaves. It's just really pretty. Here is the second die cut ephemera pack that was included in the kit, and this one is from the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts collection, the same as the pattern paper that was included in the kit. So this is the Icon ephemera. It is fall iconic images. The apples in a bushel. There's a house here. There's a squirrel. There are still some leaves here and one pumpkin. There are some generic things in here, but these are much more precise. So there's the Cider and Donuts cart, thankful title, gather together title. So many options for embellishing your layouts. This Cider and Donuts embellishment pack had 59 pieces in it. Each month there is a cut file that is also included in the kit subscription. This one is from the Cut Shop. Pumpkin with the thankful across it. You also have access to the digital cut file that you can download so you can cut it yourself, any size you want. Each month, My Creative Scrapbook also has a sketch for you. These kits are an incredible value. If you don't care for the main kit, check out the other 3 kits that they put out every month. They have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. Take a peek at what I created with this kit. I made 4 layouts, and I have so much stuff left over. I could create another 4 layouts, I think, at least, if not more. Go check them out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.